Benglawa Stormza on my last episode. Damn. I shout out to you, Stormza. Uyinja dog. Uyansukela. Uyangihlolela. Hey bafethu. KB Casanova lana eliyazi bafethu. Xa evela yena kuhlanya amamnyama nama yellow bone bethi etasom delicious. Yilo phela ibhombe leqela abantwana nje akwazi off the record. Ha bafethu. Lizwa injani ingoma. Yazi ngibuye le artist early blind bafethu straight from Kobulawayo. Hi madoda Mr. Perfect. The song is perfect. Yonke into imthwebelele. Mr. Perfect ngicela usintroduce dog.
Sithilo futhi sikhulumela ukuthi Mr. Perfect. Yimo Mr. Perfect abaningi alingazi. After 2 months ngizobe senirelease ama track.
Uzokurelease ama track. Ngiza lezi zinto ezichisayo bafethu fresh from the oven. Hey ngiyafiwa. Ingoma yakho le yangikhila dog. Ayangikhila dog.
Yazi ngikutshelani but ye reality.
All right.
It's like wonke umuntu uyakwazi ukuthi isagale siyakhuluma ukuthi induku enhle iganyulwe ezizweni
live.
But kulenye situation ye family yakho kumbe wena lesithandwa sakho kumbe lo mama siyakwazi phela ezeni ezezindlini. Uyabukwazi ukuthi uyalo yi2 wagamula nga. So mina ngaplan uku-expose ukuthi guys mina kwakuthiwe ngigamule khatshana maybe ngagamule eduze.
My babo wagamula lameva.
Ngagamula uGonde.
All right induna yami akunjele uqalise nini okay wena vele ube li artist from nini induna yami uchaye since nini ngoba ingoma le yambolala dog.
Ayisikokudala. I think lo mnyaka ukaGwani.
Lo mnyaka ukaGwani. Umnyaka kaGwani.
Maybe nxa usukwanile I can say maybe nle 1 year 2 months khona ya.
Umnyaka ukaGwani do.
ukaGwani.
So yabona mafethu elinye talent sometimes akudingi ukuthi kuthiwa hey uqamba mango sitshela ukuthi wena waqalisa ula 3 hey wena uqalisa ula 2 years kumbe uqalisa ula 9 months ukuhlabela hey 1 year bafethu.
Yeah into engifuna ukuyibonga ngifuna ukubonga uStormza.
Yeah man.
Yabona uStormza kungasu Stormza. I don't think ukuthi ngabe track leli linje.
All right, this track was produced by Stormza.
This guy angimthatha ngamna njenge producer. Ngamthatha njengomngani wami. So it's like ngiyakwanisa ukumread ukuthi today ukumudu yokufuna ukurecorda or ukumudu ukuthi ufuna sixoxe. So if ngingafika ngibona ukuthi uStormza namhla ngathi ukumudu up like abhuti lo I've got something la ngicela phela ngibe ngikade into yami lapho laleli.
Benglawa uStormza on my last episode. Damn. I shout out to you Stormza. Uyinja dog.
So ngimuntu wenza ukuthi most of the times ngicine sengizikhipha because I think in lama track amaningi afika maybe kubo 11 but kangawakhiphi why kwesinye isikhathi ngiyafika ngithi track leli selenjani uStormza ethi hayi man so ngaphuma ukuthi man anzaba kwazi ukuthi no member wami usola something anguthathe izifu nganithwa ndhlabela idoti ngaphuma ukuthi ngathi usole something then ngizobuyela tracking lami ngiphenduke maybe after 2 months how fast Stormza la sithi uyabona kathesani undinge kusasa so that's how we are pushing lo mngani wami
ukuthi Stormza yapheka bafethu Stormza yapheka ngicela nilibukele ispace ubulawayo coming with fire yabona this year uyabonga ngisukela yabonga ngihlolela straight Mr. Perfect dog yazi nanti ngiya appreciate ukuthi ufikile lapha off the record yazi nanti you brought something that is so it's bananas bro. Imthebelele dog. Yes isikhona lapha ku off the record ngiphethe Mr. Perfect nani niyazi yijeki bafethu ayijika ina steering ijeki wonke umuntu uhlala ethi ejeki mangihamba estradini ejeki ayifuni ijeki ejeki
ayijeki ngiyayifuna ngoba girlfriend yami ngibiza jeki izizwe
my babo yes khona lapha eChinza Studios ku off the record shout out to Mr. Perfect yes this artist bafethu liyalazi lani bafethu iartist leli bafethu liyalazi liyalibona bafethu libuya lo mfutho and off the record sabe siliphathela zonke izinto ezimthwebelele new artist upcoming artist even lama legends abesekhona hlalo khonapho ubukele danko